We are on the roof of our church. It's called a green roof. We have prairie grass up here and sedum. When we first planted, we put in just a sod, but then we put in the prairie grass, and that's been growing for 12 years. And now we have sedum all along the way, here and there. And eventually it'll be fully sedum. They were fairly new, and it was a very green thing to do. And we wanted to do it because we got some benefits from it. It's 50 years before it has to be replaced, or considered, to be replaced. Keeps the water from going into the church. The membrane protects everything, and it helps us with water runoff. We love this green roof very, very much, and we like that there's not a lot of work involved in it, and that it's environmentally sound and does great things for the environment. I mean, we're going to put in solar. They put in a shingle roof to prepare for the solar that we've now raised money for and we'll put on this side of the point. A shingled roof, they're a dime a dozen. I like the idea that people know we have a green roof. We are a green church and we have a green roof.